You wake up feeling great, but by midday, your stomach feels like a balloon. Sound familiar? Bloating is frustrating, uncomfortable, and sometimes even painful, but the good news is you can fix it. In this video, I'll share simple dietary hacks that can help you get rid of bloating fast, without expensive supplements or complicated diets. And stick around, because I'll reveal one healthy food that could secretly be making your bloating worse. Bloating is that uncomfortable, swollen feeling in your stomach that can make you feel sluggish and heavy. It's usually caused by trapped gas, poor digestion, or fluid retention. While occasional bloating is normal, certain eating habits and food choices can make it worse. One of the most common culprits is eating too fast. When you rush through meals, you swallow excess air, which gets trapped in your digestive system and leads to bloating. Slowing down and chewing your food thoroughly can prevent this. Another major cause is too much fiber at once. Fiber is essential for digestion, but if you suddenly eat a large amount, especially from raw vegetables, beans, or whole grains, your gut bacteria struggle to break it down, leading to excess gas and bloating. Carbonated drinks are another common trigger. The bubbles in soda, sparkling water, and beer add extra gas to your stomach, which can make bloating worse. Similarly, high-sodium foods like processed snacks, canned soups, and fast food can cause water retention, making you feel puffy and bloated. Lastly, poor gut bacteria balance can disrupt digestion and lead to bloating. A healthy gut has a balance of good bacteria that help break down food, but an imbalance, often caused by processed foods, antibiotics, or artificial sweeteners, can slow digestion and create excess gas. The good news is that simple dietary changes can make a big difference. By adjusting how and what you eat, you can prevent bloating and improve digestion, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. Dietary hacks to reduce bloating. Bloating can be frustrating, but small changes to your diet can make a big difference. These simple hacks will help you improve digestion, reduce gas, and feel lighter. One of the easiest ways to reduce bloating is to eat more slowly. When you eat too fast, you swallow extra air, which gets trapped in your digestive system and causes bloating. Chewing your food thoroughly helps break it down properly, making digestion easier. A good rule of thumb is to chew each bite 20 to 30 times before swallowing. Another trick is to put your fork down between bites. This forces you to slow down and prevents overeating, which can also contribute to bloating. In addition to chewing thoroughly, try to eat in a relaxed setting without distractions like TV or your phone. When you're mindful of your eating, you're less likely to gulp down food and swallow excess air. This simple habit can improve digestion and prevent bloating over time. Sugar alcohols like sorbitol, xylitol, and maltitol are common in sugar-free gum, diet sodas, and protein bars, but they can wreak havoc on your gut. Since your body doesn't fully digest them, they ferment in the intestines, leading to gas and bloating. If you consume a lot of artificial sweeteners, cutting back can make a huge difference. Instead, opt for natural alternatives like stevia or raw honey in moderation, which are easier on digestion. It's also a good idea to read ingredient labels carefully, as sugar alcohols are often hidden in processed foods. Even some health foods contain these bloating culprits. If you notice frequent bloating, keeping a food journal can help identify which artificial sweeteners might be causing discomfort. Fiber is essential for digestion, but too much too quickly can lead to bloating and gas. High-fiber foods like beans, raw vegetables, and whole grains take time for your gut to adjust to. If you suddenly increase your fiber intake, your digestive system may struggle to break it all down, leading to discomfort. The solution? Increase fiber intake gradually to allow your gut to adapt. Also, try cooking vegetables instead of eating them raw, as this makes fiber easier to digest and reduces bloating. Drinking enough water is also key when increasing fiber intake. Fiber absorbs water to help move food through your digestive system smoothly. Without enough hydration, Fiber can slow down digestion and contribute to bloating instead of preventing it. Many people don't realize that what they drink affects bloating. Carbonated drinks like soda, sparkling water, and beer add excess gas to your stomach, making bloating worse. Instead, stick to still water, herbal teas, or infused water with lemon or cucumber to support digestion. Drinks like ginger tea and peppermint tea are especially beneficial as they relax the digestive tract and help reduce bloating naturally. Drinking water at the right times can also make a difference. Try to avoid drinking large amounts of liquid with meals, as this can dilute stomach acid and slow digestion. Instead, sip water throughout the day and drink a glass 30 minutes before meals to support digestion without overloading your stomach. Certain foods contain natural enzymes and probiotics that help break down food and support gut health. Some of the best bloating-fighting foods include papaya, contains digestive enzymes that help break down proteins. Pineapple, packed with bromelain, which aids digestion and reduces bloating. Ginger helps relax the gut and reduces stomach inflammation. Kefir and yogurt, rich in probiotics that promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Adding these foods to your diet regularly can make a noticeable difference in how your stomach feels after meals. In addition to these foods, consider incorporating fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso into your diet. These foods naturally contain probiotics that support gut health and reduce bloating over time. A well-balanced gut microbiome is crucial for digestion and overall health. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are packed with nutrients, but can also cause bloating when eaten raw. These veggies contain raffinose, a type of sugar that ferments in the gut, leading to excess gas. However, you don't have to avoid them completely. Steaming or roasting them helps break down the tough fibers and reduces their bloating effects. If you love cruciferous vegetables, try cooking them instead of eating them raw to enjoy their benefits without the discomfort. Another tip is to pair cruciferous vegetables with digestive-friendly foods like ginger or lemon juice to help your body break them down more efficiently. If you have a sensitive gut, start with smaller portions and gradually increase your intake to allow your digestive system to adjust. By following these simple dietary hacks, you can significantly reduce bloating and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Now, here's a simple challenge. Pick just one of these tips and try it today. See how your body responds and let me know how it goes. Which of these tips surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.